Wow. Amazing. I'm so happy. Yemina, thank you. Have a sit. Out of the young. Samina, but how you doing? Wait so much. You all look beautiful. Thank you so much. Better mama sekinalo. That's Blonia. Hi baby, how you doing? Adina, are you being shy now? Say hi back again. Yes. Hello. Thank you. ሁላችሁም አክብራችሁኝ ስለመጣችሁ በጣም አመሰግናለሁ። አዶናይ ይባላለሁ። Here we are, man. The newest motivational speaker, as they call it. Motivational speaker, Masalo? The way I walk, what do you think? Get out, bud.